video, and this time I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2, and that's the Under Armour edition. Just have a look at it. Wow. Just to let you know, this is the Under Armour edition of Samsung Galaxy Active 2 watch. So what I'll be waiting for, let's just unbox it. There you go. Let the beast come out. Alright, okay. There you go. Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. Wow, amazing. It has the Under Armour band, which says Under Armour here. I could say it's so so smooth band and very good finish. Samsung has done really good in bringing this out. This, I could say, is a really good update for S3 Frontier and the new latest Samsung watch as well. Alright, so just like you guys have seen the S3 Frontier, so this watch has, I'll show a couple of features. Let me just take it out. Alright guys, so the S3 Frontier, as you guys know, used to have a bezel at the corner by which you guys had to twist it and change the options. This has a touch display bezel which you can just twist around and change the settings in the watch. It has amazing set of wallpapers like the faces, and this is just for this watch, which is the Under Armour edition watch face. And as you can see, it's really amazing. It has always on display as well. The new thing about this watch is it has a Super AMOLED display as compared to the other watches, and it also has a blood pressure monitor. So, but Samsung says that in case you guys need to use that feature, you guys should feed in your weight so that it can map, and according to your heartbeat, it can provide you the blood pressure details. Alright? So, just please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions about the Galaxy Watch Active 2 Under Armour edition, let me know. And this has a good battery life as well. And oh, we forgot about the box. Alright, so that's standard packaging. They have given the manual here. Let's take it out. Okay. Ooh, Map My Run. So that's the app of Under Armour which you can use to track in your day-to-day activities. And they also give a premium subscription and premium features with this app for this watch, since it's a limited edition. And that's about it. And yeah, another thing, which is the best thing about it, is it has a charger just like this, which is magnetic and wireless, so you don't need pins. You just push in the charger on the watch, and it started to charge just like Apple Watch, magnetic wireless charger. Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and take care. Enjoy. See ya.